I have good news. The new flat rate has partnered with my company in bringing you a half-day customer service webinar. This will be the most innovative information for people who work the phones. Do you ever get phone calls that start like this?
Thank you for choosing Actionair. My name is Sherry. How may I make you smile today?
You can make me smile by letting me speak to someone in charge of service calls. I have one of your texts at my home right now.
During these calls, we know the importance of remaining calm, conveying empathy, and capturing all the details. But it goes even deeper. We will cover the physical and emotional manifestations of stress for people who work on the phones. We will delve and understand today's convenience-oriented customers. And we will focus on why consistency is the new empathy in delivering world-class service. This is one webinar you will not want to miss.